Creating relaxing videos has become a lucrative trend, with some Instagram profiles amassing over 10 million followers, and these videos are incredibly simple to create, and they're generating millions of views while helping new channels grow. This level of engagement translates into substantial income, likely tens of thousands of dollars each month. Intrigued, I decided to uncover how these videos are made, and to my surprise, the process is simple and free. And the most important thing, it can be produced efficiently with the help of AI. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of creating such videos step by step. The first step involves designing visuals using AI tools like Midjourney for a paid plan, but for this tutorial, I will be using Leonardo AI. After signing up, you will be awarded 150 daily credit. Navigate to the image generator section, choose presets like Leonardo Lightning XL. Adjust settings such as style, contrast, and aspect ratio. For those of you who want to skip the hassle of crafting prompts, I've got all the prompts ready in the description of this video. However, for those who prefer to create their own, tools like ChatGPT can help generate creative descriptions. For example, describe the first prompt as a cozy winter living room with fireplace, and the second prompt for the background as a serene snowy night. ChatGPT will then provide imaginative and detailed prompts. Simply copy the generated prompt, head to Leonardo AI, and paste it into the prompt box to create your visuals. Once generated, download your images for use in the project. Do same for the background image too. Once generated, then download. To upscale your images, open your browser and visit www.upscale.media. Click on the first link, which will take you to the interface. Click on Upload Image, select the image you want to upscale, and click Open. Wait for the image to process. Once ready, your image will be available for download. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can choose to upscale further by selecting 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, and 8x, depending on your preference. Next, customize your visuals using free online photo editors like Photopea. Upload your generated images to Photopea and make modifications, such as cutting out specific elements like windows. Use the polygonal lasso tool to outline and remove sections, creating a transparent area. Once you've completed the edits, save the file as a PNG to retain the transparency. This customization step is crucial to layering your visuals effectively in the video editor. We will need some effects like snow and fire flame, so we will head over to YouTube and search for a green screen snow and fire. Copy the video links. Open your browser and search for a YouTube video downloader. Click on Social Plug, which should take you to this interface. Paste the video link and click Get Video. Choose the download option that suits your needs. Then wait for the video to download. Repeat the same process for the second video and save it to your device. To bring these images to life, you'll need a video editing program. CapCut is an excellent choice because it's free and user-friendly. Import the cutout room image, the generated background image, and the snow video into CapCut. Place the background image on the timeline first. Add the green screen snow background to the timeline. If the snowflakes appear sparse or too large, you can resize the snow video, slightly adjust the angle or direction for a natural effect. Use the chroma key to remove the green background, then layer the living room image with the cutouts on top. To further enhance your video, you can add a fireplace effect. Add the green screen fire video to the timeline. Use the same chroma key technique to remove the green background, and scale the fire video to fit inside the fireplace area of your living room image. Trimming the top portion of the fire can make it look more realistic and contained within the fireplace. For the audio, AI tools like Suno AI can generate relaxing soundtracks. After signing up, you should see an interface like this. Describe the desired mood, such as relaxing lo-fi beats with nature sounds, and ensure the instrumental option is enabled. And hit Create button and wait for it to do its thing. After generating, review and download the music clips to include in your project. Combine the visuals and audio in CapCut, aligning their durations by duplicating or trimming clips as needed. Finally, export the completed video, ready to be uploaded to platforms like Instagram or YouTube. This method allows you to create high-quality, relaxing snow or rain videos that are visually stunning and easy to monetize. Let me know your thoughts and share your creations in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.